Recent cooperation by Chinese defense technology with Pakistan and Iran against the aggression staged by India and Israel, internal conflict of the vital world, has proved that New World proceeded in advance without war. The wars on Pakistan and Iran were staged indirectly, basically by the Old World. The Old World must understand, technology and AI will boost the New World at a so highest pedestal at the end of this century or in the next century that the Old World will have no other way but to bestow down. That stage will be built and raised by the New World without war. So, the Old World should come forward while amending its old harsh ways of shedding them down and living with peace with atomic Iran and well equipped with missiles with other countries of vital world. Also, living with peaceful Israel tamed with no war treaty. Thanks for watching the video. Please comment and share.